Hello. I'm live from Seth's phone, so hopefully it won't do that weird buzzing thing that it's been doing for forever. But it is time to shape my face. My makeup is going on a little patchy. I can feel just like some kind of peach fuzz and dead skin. Try to do this weekly and I'm going to walk you through it. It's pretty easy. It's actually really easy. I've got my milk cream moisturizer. I'm gonna put that on first. I've been kind of off of social media for the day. And it was nice to take a little break. What'd you say? Don't cut yourself up. Oh gosh, Michael Ann. Yeah, for sure. You gotta be careful doing it. You'll kind of figure out the more you do it, the best way to do so. I like to pull my skin kind of tight while I do it. And I have cut the hair on my eyebrows before. Oh, I've done it, Michael Ann. Don't think it's just you. But it makes a big difference with my makeup. So I went ahead and put my milk cream on. I feel like this just helps it kind of glide. Maybe, did you do that, Michael Ann? Maybe that's why. And then I've got my Tinkle razor. They're not super sharp. And then I'm just gonna start shaving. So I wear a headband. I really need to be wearing it like closer. That way I don't get any hair because I have before. This helps get rid of peach fuzz and dead skin that's gonna make your makeup sit funky. I wish y'all could see this. Oh my god. Look at that! Can y'all see it? Let me get my head out of the way. That just came off of just my forehead. I come right to my eyebrow and I try, obviously, not to get down into my eyebrows. Y'all, this is slightly gross. Look at that. And I just did this last week. So if you're wondering why your makeup is not going on smooth, this is probably why. I'm also a hairy human, but if you were doing it fast, my little holder is kind of blocking it. On Monday, caught the edge of, oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. I hate that for you. Blocking my hair because I will cut it and I have done it before. Alright, so that is just my forehead. These little razors are pretty cheap. Sorry if y'all can hear all that TV in the background. My husband and son are watching it really loud. Look, ew. But also so satisfying because I know my makeup is gonna go on so smooth. Look. Not sure if you can see this one. It's kind of some longer hairs that I probably missed last time. If y'all are just hopping on, you'll have to catch the replay because I just showed some nasty. Here we go. Look. I hope this isn't grossing anyone out. If you like pimple pop and stuff, it's kind of satisfying. These razors are so cheap. You can get them on Amazon for a pack of, I think it's like 2 packs of 3 for like $4 or something crazy. And then I meant to post, TJ Maxx has a whole like display of them for super cheap too. And then what I'll do after this is just go in with the rest of my skincare. Do the upper lip because I for sure have a mustache. Y'all tell me I'm not the only one. Look. Some of this is like the cream coming off too, but you can see all my little hairs sticking to it. Alright. Now I gotta be careful with this part, but I do want to get my kind of in between my brows. Alright, I think I've gotten everywhere. If you're just hopping on, watch the replay so you can see some of the nasty hair come off of my face. I don't know if you can see it there. But my makeup is going to go on so much smoother now. If you need a link to the razors, comment or message me and I can send you a link. They're super cheap and they've been a total game changer to how my makeup goes on. I do this once a week and then I'll go in with my skincare after this. See that? It's gross. Alright, y'all. That's it. Now I'm going to do my skincare and it's going to be loud in here because of all the water running and everything. So I'm going to let y'all go. Comment or message me if you need a link or anything.